No, not Josel. I said not me.
Oh,
This is Julie's first time to
be
eat
comfortable.
peanut.
I tried to make her
And she
leave.
has a bib. It's peanut, sweetie. Peanut.
Josel, I cannot see.
It's peanut. Huh? You're doing well, huh?
Would you stop? Would you should
You're
just...
moving a lot, Josel.
Because I
Diana,
can't.
Diana, can you
well.
please?
Mommy, you want me to feed her?
No,
Or without the
That's
baby?
not,
No.
that's enough.
not yet. You make her, Nick.
How am I gonna make her nick up? Yeah.
Thanks.
Red.
Sige, babach. See, she likes it.
Ew, why did I touch?
She moved her head.
She doesn't want to let go.
So that one is
Spinach.
no.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Okay, just so you can turn it off now. This might take long.
Okay. Bye-bye, Julie. Have fun with your
And also her 5th month of today.
Big birthday. Happy birthday.